Alright, Cam fam, it is late at night after softball, and we got Domino's. Those you are true Cam Fam supporters, do you know what's in one of these boxes? I don't know what's in this box right now because I picked it up after practice. Taryn ordered it, but we're trying the new stuffed crust pizza.
But first,
So let's go box by box and see what we got.
fork or fingers?
I don't know. It's
Pizza. Do you use fork or fingers?
No,
Oh,
that's literally for the bread.
yeah, that's for what's in that box.
Oh.
That's what they're asking.
Oh, gotcha. But I was asking it differently.
All right,
Is the Parmesan?
garlic bites.
Mommy, I want to. Yeah, me too.
They're delicious when they're fresh.
So I'm gonna eat one right now, guys. Do you want one? Whoa, 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 whoa.
Well, you're not gonna get one. Yes, do one.
There's our snotty kid, so.
That's
Box number 2.
what? What's the matter?
How well flavored on it?
There is a lot of garlic. Box number 2 is the new oven baked goodness with no fork.
So it's a pasta, guys. Do you get
I
pasta
guess
at
this one we
Domino's?
had to eat with our fingers. We didn't get a choice. All right, so this is just their plain
Oh.
mac and cheese.
It's really good. Don't knock it until you try it.
All right, so Taryn's gonna try this. Ooh, mac and cheese.
Yeah, I guess I thought it would be a little more orange cheesy.
No,
It
last
looks
time we
more
had it, it was just
Alfredo.
everyone. These are so good.
Mommy, can I have another like
All right, so first bite
Like
of mac and cheese.
Oh, cheesy.
Can you hand me the bread?
Just a second, Kevin. Oh, it is too cheesy. Oh, just kidding. It's hot too.
All right, guys. Hope. I like it.
I told you, don't knock it until you try it. It looks
It's
horrible,
super-
but it tastes
Oh, I'm not saying it looked horrible. It's
It's,
just very cheesy.
amazing.
The cheese is very cheesy. I'm trying to even compare it to something. It's not. I would call it mac and cheese.
Here I go try, Mom.
Like it's pasta with melted cheese.
Mm,
All
Are they
right,
yummy?
Kevin, what do you think?
it's good.
How many thumbs up?
Two
Thumbs up from Kevin.
I use somebody else's phone.
All right, Enza's gonna try it.
Oh, hot.
I told you. It's hot.
Just so everyone is. What?
Definitely nice and cheesy.
I want another one.
I like it super cheesy, and I think it
There's
tastes
not
good.
a brush this.
Just
All right, can you pass it to McKenna so she can try it without making a mess?
Tastes the same. Tastes good.
Let me try.
All right.
All right, so the next box, guys.
Pizza number 1. Sure you recycle this box, it says. Is
Ooh, a
Thin
delicious
with sausage and pepperoni.
and a bad cut job.
It looks like
Sit back,
teenagers
sit
were
back,
painting
sit
this
back.
one.
Chew with your mouth.
Guys, this thin crust is where it's at Domino's. Pepperoni and sausage can't go wrong.
Are they delicious?
So the other two are going to demolish this mac and cheese probably.
It's good.
This is good. Like it's so good.
You didn't even try the pizza.
What's your?
Yes.
Oh, right there.
All right, guys, but we're giving you a sampling of everything, so just a bite.
Oh, did y'all want a sample?
Yeah. looks like we're at Sam's Club. Just get the sample of everything. Ooh.
Do the nasty looks.
It tastes good. They could have put more marinara sauce on it. Yeah, I was gonna say they could put sauce on it.
I did not put extra sauce this time.
All right, guys. So in this box is the Cam Fam special.
So you think?
Oh, it better be. If not, I guess Taryn screwed up when she ordered.
You didn't even check them?
No, I didn't check anything. Cam Fam special coming at you.
It's another one. This one.
Boom. This right here,
I
guys.
call this piece. Wait, guys, I just came to realize something. Why do they put circle pizzas in square boxes?
Do you have an answer for that?
No.
Oh.
They didn't cut it right.
So we have the Philly steak with mushrooms with the garlic sauce and cheese on the thin crust. Thin crust is a must.
Thin crust is a must.
Mommy, no way am I eating that.
So yes, guys, Cam Fam special right here. If you've watched any of our lives, there was a whole live about pizza. And some of y'all even got this pizza. I'm gonna steal one more piece of this, guys. And then we're going in for the big reveal, the reason for this video.
I mean, this was reason enough alone. But yes, I love a stuffed crust pizza. But I've heard mixed reviews about the Domino stuffed crust pizza.
Thank you.
Maybe because it's with Parmesan. And Parmesan would not be my cheese of
Hold on,
choice.
stop. All right, so the moment you've all been waiting for. As Taryn said, she loves stuffed crust.
Right, but I don't know about Parmesan stuffed crust. I like the old school mozzarella.
Okay, my understanding was the Parmesan was just on the crust. It's Parmesan in the crust?
I believe Parmesan stuffed crust.
All right, I guess we'll find out, guys.
It's yummy pizza.
All right,
It's
so
like-
I went with
It's the same
pepperonis
thing.
and sausage flavor still.
Mommy, how about we use the pizza cutter?
I definitely don't like the Parmesan on the outside. It's okay.
Okay. that was-
I mean, I'll eat it, but it's okay. All right, let's see.
All right, so first, it comes off nice, but I would expect the cheese to stick, and it doesn't.
It has been sitting for a while.
All right, I'm gonna go with all bites. So you can't just
What do you mean all bites?
go with a crust bite.
Okay.
Hey, you're supposed to straight for the corner.
I thought that's what he wanted.
All right, so pizza itself not bad.
This is
They're not gonna run Domino's out of business or Pizza Hut out of business. Because Pizza Hut has the best stuffed crust, or Papa John's.
I was like, oh, we haven't had pizza Hut in a long time, but yes, I do like the Papa John's stuffed crust.
So yeah, it's the same Parmesan they put on the Parmesan bites, but I don't know that you need it on a stuffed crust pizza.
There's just so much.
You know what's
I don't
different?
like that kind of Parmesan.
In Papa John's, they give you a sauce and a pepper, but now you can't dip your bread in the sauce.
I don't normally dip it anyway, but yes, it is
eat the
different.
mac and cheese.
Okay, just a second.
I mean, it's definitely edible. I don't know how much extra we paid for this pizza.
More than we should have. But I wanted to try it.
So stick to the Cam Fam special.
For sure. It was good to try, but yes. Did you
The
go?
pizza is really good. I haven't tried the crust yet, but the pizza's good. Tastes pretty normal. It tastes like
Clearly should have taken a smaller
Regular.
bite.
stuffed crust.
Oh, you think it tastes like all the other stuffed crust pizzas? Oh, all right. Well, there you have it. That's our review. But the
Cam Fam's gonna pass because it's not
Yes.
worth the money.
Philly steak with mushrooms with the garlic sauce is much better.
Stick to the $6.99 specials because this was probably like $13.99.
It was an extra $4 to get stuffed crust.
Papa John's is the same price. They're $6.99 pairings, didn't you?
Yes. That's how they all compete. They all have the same price point.
Now, I will say one thing this is better than, guys. I'd eat this over late night snacks pizza on a Carnival cruise any day.
Anyone would do
'Cause
that.
that's not very good.
The pizza is literally the bread from the Italian restaurant with random sauce over it. And like the littlest bit of
Is it
cheese.
even sauce?
There's like,
Just-
it's basically ketchup. And you warm it up.
But all right, guys. So that's going to be the end of this review of Domino's Stuffed Crust Pizza.
Thumbs up, thumbs down. We give this a medium. A thumbs up, 2 thumbs up.
I'm going
Down.
thumbs down. So
It definitely was not worth the extra $4.
$4.
I would do 3 thumbs up.
3 thumbs up, and Kevin didn't even try it. All right, well, Pam signing out. Say bye.
Bye.